Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super exciting topic, what to plant in June if you're living in USDA Zone 7. So grab your gardening gloves because we're about to make your garden bloom like never before. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. June is such a fantastic month for gardeners in Zone 7. Weather is warm, the days are long, and the soil is perfect for planting. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. Let's start with some mouth-watering veggies that are sure to spice up your summer. First up, let's talk about tomatoes. If you haven't already, now is the perfect time to transplant your tomato seedlings. They love the warm soil and will start growing like crazy this month. Be sure to give them plenty of sunlight and keep them well watered. And the best part? Homegrown tomatoes taste so much better than store-bought ones. Next, we have peppers. Whether you like them sweet or spicy, peppers thrive in June's warmth. Plant them now and you'll have a colorful harvest come late summer. Imagine picking fresh peppers right from your garden to use in your favorite dishes. And don't forget about cucumbers. Cucumbers grow quickly in the warm June weather. They're perfect for salads, pickling, or just munching on straight from the vine.
Plus, there's nothing quite like the crunch of a freshly picked cucumber.
Another great choice is squash. Both summer and winter squash can be planted now. They're versatile, delicious, and really easy to grow. You can make so many dishes with squash, from soups to casseroles. Now, let's move on to some leafy greens. These are a must-have for any garden. Planting lettuce and spinach in the shade will help keep them cool and prevent them from bolting too quickly. These greens grow fast, so you'll be enjoying fresh salads in no time. Herbs are another essential for any garden. Basil, cilantro, and dill are all excellent choices for June planting. They're perfect for adding fresh flavor to your summer dishes, and they're super easy to grow in pots or directly in the ground. And the aroma of fresh herbs? Simply amazing! Finally, let's talk flowers. Marigolds, zinnias, and sunflowers are all fantastic options for adding a splash of color to your garden. Plus, they attract beneficial insects that help keep your garden healthy. Your garden will look stunning and be full of life. So there you have it. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, squash, leafy greens, herbs, and beautiful flowers, all perfect for planting in June in USDA Zone 7. Your garden will be bursting with life and color in no time. Just imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh produce and enjoying the beauty of your blooming garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your gardening adventures in the comments below. What are you planting this June? Happy gardening, everyone! See you next time!